It smells like absolute dog. It stinks so bad. Hello, my name is John. This is RAI Adventures, and we got a project boat. So, we acquired a 1993 Four Winds Horizon 23-foot boat. He told me the story, the background on the boat was a friend took it out on the lake. It was overheating, so they pulled the engine to replace the water pump. OMC Cobra 302 5.0 engine. It's a Ford engine. The outdrive is an OMC. Don't know anything about it. He says everything is in the boat. So that's what we're here to do today. Ryan and I are going to clean the boat out and see what we have and what we don't have and what he still needs to bring us. All right, we're going to start this summer build series. This is going to be a complete series of redoing this boat. So we're gonna go through it, stripping the upholstery out of it because somebody did their Andrew Camarada fix on the cushions with just drywall screws. That isn't gonna fly. Well, heck, this one has a nut on it. So in the anchored box up here, it's full of junk. It has the anchor and ropes and chains. So at least we got an anchor out of it.
Yeah, only thing.
Ropes. It looks like we got outdrive parts. We'll leave that go for now. Oh, what's in this one?
Junk.
Some rotten plywood. On this side we got more fenders, throwable wire rope. A lot of looks like sawdust. And in here we got more outdrive parts that looks like the water pump.
We could get this in the warehouse.
The impeller. Oh, wait. That's an engine part.
Hey, we got some tools out of it. Favorite compartment.
In this glove box we got all kinds of junk. Mountain Dew, tea.
What's in the Royal? Whatever.
Ryobi.
The juice box.
Juice box.
Oh, a belt.
We got belts for on the motor. Speaker.
Hey, that's where its speaker went.
We got sockets.
Whoa.
Oh, fire extinguisher.
Personal trash right there.
Then, like Ryan said, the seat is not attached. I don't see anything wrong with it. It works.
Yeah.
It's like a lawn chair. Just take it up next to the campfire. There is a Lawrence GPS system fish finder. It looked pretty decent. If it works, I don't know, but I do know it's a couple $100 GPS system. Don't worry about the seat. So it looks pretty corroded.
Is that salt?
Yeah, it's like crystallizing, oxidizing. There's plenty of engine parts. There's the manifolds, there's the risers. We have back here, we have the, I guess they call that the flywheel cover.
You got a big battery back there.
The battery back there. There's a selector back there. Don't know what that's for.
Yeah.
Well, this side's falling off. It'll need redone. Here's the lower unit of the outdrive. Don't know what all will need repaired in that. That's the intake manifold, the carburetor, the valve covers, The oil pan is there. The starter.
Is this the first time you've seen this too?
The distributor cap. Yeah. The Y pipe's still in place. We're gonna start taking all this stuff out.
And putting it in the truck.
We're gonna put all the parts in the truck. We're gonna take the truck inside the shop. We're gonna organize everything out on skids. And I tell you, it smells like absolute dog. It stinks so bad. Okay, so this is gonna be our summer project. The boat's all emptied out of all the loose parts. If you're curious to see the progression of this boat, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified of any time we upload something. And
Tune into the next one.
yes, tune into the next one.